and then we continued where we came to the destination called Al-Arj.
फिर बताएंगे ये
Mas'ud ibn Hunayda, also ibn Hajar. Brothers, we've now moved from to the next destination, which is known as Arj. An incident happened here to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, where one of the camels was crippled; it couldn't walk properly, and it was hurt. So they found a shepherd here by the name of Mas'ud ibn Hunayda, and they asked him that whose camels are these? So he said this is Aus ibn Hajar's camel. So Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu happened to know this man. So he said, go and tell your master that we need another camel, and Abu Bakr said so. So Aus ibn Hajar came and he gave the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam another camel, and he told the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam that there's a faster route to Medina, a quicker route, but I fear that there's robbers on the way. There's two people that are looting and robbing the people on the way, which goes through these mountains. So the Prophet ﷺ said, don't worry about them, let's take that route if it's faster. So when they continued and they reached this area between the mountains, those two robbers, they came down, and the Prophet ﷺ asked them who you are. So they said, we are Muhanan, the meaning which we destroyers, we disgraces. So the Prophet ﷺ said, no, you are Mukraman, meaning you are noble people. You are people that of nobility. So they asked who you are. The Prophet ﷺ mentioned Muhammad bin Abdullah, recited the Quran upon them, invited them to Islam, and they accepted Islam. Then the Prophet ﷺ continued towards Medina. Nevertheless, we moved on